Okay, so good morning and welcome to another session of Scratch. And today we are going to start our class with a game. And so we'll be creating a ball and paddle game. Okay, so backdrop, you can choose whatever you want. So I have taken neon tunnel. Your sprite will be one ball, and second sprite will be paddle. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I made this game before, a lot before, about in third or fourth class.
okay, that's okay. It will be kind of revision for you. Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm just playing it. Just watch it carefully, and then we'll proceed with that. Okay. So how we will be? Just see the mouse pointer. Okay. It is moving along with the pedal. So what does that mean? Does it remind you of anything?
Ma'am, what?
See the pedal here. One.
Ma'am, gliding.
Oh no, it's not gliding. Just see it again. Mouse pointer is moving along with the pedal.
Oh, ma'am, when,
Ma'am, go paddle.
No, not go
Oh,
to
sorry.
paddle.
ma'am, glide one
Point
second to
towards.
random position.
No.
Ma'am,
We are
point towards paddle.
No, that is not point towards. See, but still it is moving. What we are doing here, we are setting pedals X coordinate to set
Ma'am,
X block. You remember set X block?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it do?
yes.
Set X block. It will set your X coordinate.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In that field, what we will write, you remember? I will show you one second. You remember that three blocks we use for displaying it on the stage monitor: X
Yes.
position, Y position, direction. So what X position will do? X position will give you your current X position. So if we will put this block in our set X block, so easily we can simply just move our pedal accordingly. So we will be moving the pedal. Okay, I am moving the pedal. Just see the mouse pointer. It is moving along with the pedal. Did you realize it?
Yes, ma'am.
Another thing is initial ball position you can take. I just take it nearby center, near to the center. So when okay, that I will describe later. First, just do the setup. Do the initial setup. Set your backdrop. Add two sprites and write code for the pedal first. So you can choose any backdrop.
Ma'am, I chose the neon tunnel.
Okay, great.
Ma'am,
And
ma'am, should I start for the paddle?
yeah, you just go to sprite library and from there just choose one pedal as a sprite.
Ma'am, I did everything.
Okay,
Done, ma'am.
remove the excuse me, remove the cat from it. Okay,
Yes.
it's not required in this project. And another sprite is that ball. All right,
Done, ma'am.
done. Okay, so we will be moving the pad. Just bring it at the bottom. Okay, and what we need to do here. So, which will be the first block for paddle?
Ma'am, for
Event.
when flag click.
Yes. So event block is required. So when flag clicked, what should happen? Forever.
Yes, ma'am.
Why we need to add forever block here?
Ma'am, because we have to,
We need to
ma'am,
keep, we'll keep on moving the paddle until we stop the frame. Yeah.
Yes.
So in forever, we'll bring set x block. So what this block does, it will set the coordinate. Now see, it's showing me the current position of the pedal at x point, at x location. See here where all the location, all the coordinates are there just above the library, sprite library. X coordinate is minus 158, so it will automatically come here. But we don't want to set x to this. We want just like I move my pointer, my paddle should move along with it. That means we are setting the x coordinate as the x position. Okay, just try. Not working?
Done, ma'am.
Why not working? Tell me what's wrong here.
Ma'am, the exposition is 158.
X position is minus 158.
Yes, ma'am.
But still it is not working if you will just change it to
Because it's just setting the position. We have not used any movement block.
okay. Anything else? We are setting the x position. I want answer from you. What should I set here so that as soon as I will just move the pointer and it should move along, the paddle should move along with it.
Ma'am,
Any other category of blocks where we can choose this x coordinate? Any other category? In sensing, any idea?
Oh, ma'am, if touch.
No, how it will move then? Again,
Oh,
listen
touching
listen
mouse
to my
pointer.
question again.
That
One
is to
second.
mouse pointer.
Yes, for not point two. We want it to move along with my pointer. Just see the coordinates in sensing and tell me now. I will bring one block inside this set x2 block. Which block shall I bring? That so that when flag clicked and I will move my pointer, my paddle will move along with it. Just go to the sensing block.
Ma'am, touching mouse pointer.
How it will move? It will simply that is condition. Touching is always condition. That is not execution. See the sensing block.
ma'am, distant to mouse pointer.
What about if I will bring mouse X block here? Just try with this one. Set X to mouse X means X coordinate. The mouse X
Oh, ma'am,
coordinate it
it's
will
ma'am,
set here.
mouses is the correct one.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
it's
as
like
soon as yeah. So I am moving the paddle using the mouse pointer. Okay. All right. So now come to the ball sprite. Let's write for it. So just set any initial initial position for it. Why we are not setting initial coordinate for paddle?
ma'am, because we need to start it from anywhere. The ball can
Because
come
we are
from
moving it with the mouse pointer, yes? So we are actually operating it. So we can take it anywhere. But for the ball, we need to set the initial coordinate. So just set the initial coordinates when flag clicked. Go to, you can choose any near to the center, whatever it is. So go to, all right. Now what we need to do, we need to add movement for the ball. Excuse me. Yeah.
yes.
First, we will take a turn here. Why we are taking the turn? Turn right, means clockwise 15 degrees. So that means it will little bit tilted towards whenever we will start movement, it will little bit tilted with 15-degree angle. It will come downward. Yes. So that's the reason we are adding turn 15-degree here. Okay. Now you will be adding movement for it. Okay. So just add movement, and if it will touch the paddle, did you see? If it will touch the paddle, just listen to me carefully now. This is the direction. One second, let me open the board. Okay, now see. Let's suppose this is the ball. Okay, whatever direction it is going, either it is going in this direction, or it is going in this direction, or after taking turn, it is coming in this direction. Whenever whenever we want our ball or any other sprite just to go opposite, like ball is coming and it will hit this paddle. Yes, it will hit the paddle. So what it's supposed to do, what it should do, as soon as it will hit the paddle, what it should do,
Ma'am, it
this ball,
should bounce away.
it should bounce away. Yeah, it could be somewhere like this, it could be somewhere like this, but we need to set it. So just remember, whenever any sprite is there and we want our sprite to take a turn in exact opposite direction, so which turn we will take? Let's say if ball is there, if I will take, let's say this is the direction, okay? And if it will take a turn with 90 degrees, so this will be its new direction. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 360 degree. Okay, different numbers are there. Just think if we want our sprite to move towards exactly opposite direction, which turn our sprite will take. Now see the board again. Now let's say this is the case when sprite is coming downward, our ball is coming, it will hit the paddle and it should bounce back. That means we are talking
Ma'am,
about,
if on edge bounce.
yeah, if on edge bounce means whenever it will just hit the edge of the stage, it will bounce. That we will be adding. Okay, that is okay. But my question is now see, this is the paddle, okay? See the circle. Now sprite is coming like this, or it could be go like this, anywhere. What do you think? Here different angles will, it will take different turns. Yeah, it can take any turn between 0 to 360. You, because all 360 will make up a circle. Yes, you all know that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just think and tell me, if a sprite is pointing towards one direction, it needs to take a turn in exact opposite direction. Opposite. So which turn it will take? I'll give you few hints. 0, 90, 180, 270, or 360. With 360, will it take any turn? If I'll
No, ma'am.
turn with 360, it will point
Ma'am,
towards the same?
it will come back.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, 180.
yes. 180-degree turn will always move your sprite. It will not move. Your sprite will point exactly towards opposite direction. So
Yes,
whenever our sprite will touch this paddle, it should bounce back in opposite direction. So which turn it will take?
180.
It will take a turn with 180-degree. Now it won't look nice, like say if paddle is here, it will simply come and with 180 it will just go like this. If it is coming like this, then it will go back like this. Means it will bounce back, but at the same line, the line it is coming. It doesn't look nice in games, yeah? So what we can do here? we can go to, we will be doing this section in detail just for a brief overview about one block. Pick random block. Just think. Pick random means any angle it will take turn. It's not like you can randomly choose any turn. Now we know that it will take a turn. It should take a turn of 180-degree if we want it to move in opposite direction. Okay. But 180, it won't appeal very good in games. Yeah. So we can just expand that part. Okay. That range. So which range you can pick? Tell me. 180 turn you need to take, just expand the range little bit. So which value you can add here? Pick random between what? So it will take a turn with it
Ma'am,
will
90 to 180.
not, that is quite this gap is there. Just choose 170 to 190. Okay, so 170 to 190. Sorry, is this part clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
one we just discussed? Okay, so I have explained everything here. So just work on it. Okay, so how it will work? Initial coordinates we have already set. Paddle script is already there. Now you need to just move your ball. If it will touch the paddle, it should turn and bounce back. Okay, and another thing is if it will touch on the edge, it should bounce. One more thing. One more thing. Let's say if it miss this paddle and it will just come down here, then you need to stop everything. Okay, now how you will set this part? How you will set this part? Okay, which coordinate we need to check? Like
Ma'am,
ball is
minus 170
very good, and which one, x or y?
x.
Yes. So if your y coordinate is less than, let's say minus, just see the coordinate here. If it will less than minus 156, that means it is touching this edge at the bottom. So we will stop everything. What we will do? We
Stop.
will stop everything. So in control category, you can bring stop all block. Okay, clear this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first you start on your screen and then I will do on my screen. Okay, now organize them and make the game. So do we need to use forever here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So forever, what it will do forever? Until we stop the script, we want our ball sprite to move forever. So for movement, which block you will bring? For moving your sprite, which block you will bring?
Ma'am, glide to random position.
Not random position. See, we have already taken turn. Why we took turn in the beginning itself? Let's say it's my ball is here. When it will little bit take a turn with 15 degree and we will just add movement to it, it will automatically come down. Okay, that's the reason we are taking turn initially. All right, are you getting me? Okay,
Yes.
let's say just answer me if I am taking turn with let's say 0 degree, will it do anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, and if I'll take turn with 180 degree, will it come down?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it will not
No,
come.
ma'am, it will point
If it
towards.
if it is pointing, just assume if it is pointing in down direction. Okay, let's say, and if I'm turning it with 180 degrees, so it will go up. So the reason of turning clockwise 15 degree is it will just point towards slightly diagonally. It will come down. Okay, towards the bottom of the stage. All right. Now we can simply move our ball with move 10 step, and what we need to add, if it will touch the edge, then it should bounce so that it won't go beyond the stage. Okay. All right. Now we will be adding conditions. So currently it's not doing anything. See, even if it is touching the paddle, it's not doing anything. Yeah. So here again go to control category, bring if block, and what we will write here, if what? What should which block shall I bring? If ball will touch the paddle, it should bounce back. So which condition I
Ma'am,
will,
touching paddle.
first one, yeah, touching sprite one. So touching ball, okay, sorry, paddle. If it will touch the paddle, then it should take a turn. It's not like simply it will move. It will take a turn in opposite direction and then it will move. All right. And next if block is about when it will touch the bottom of the edge. Yes. So what we will bring, if what we will see, again go to operators and bring less than 1. Less than minus 156. What we will see if less than minus 156? Yeah, can you tell me which position we are checking for the ball, that if it will go,
Minus 156.
yeah, but which coordinate we are talking about, which position, x position or y position we are checking here?
Ma'am, why?
Y position. So go to motion blocks and bring your y position block, and here we are checking if y position is less than minus 156, go to control and stop all. So it will stop everything. This block will stop everything. Okay. So now just try it out. Complete it.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. And another thing is we can control the motion, means speed of the sprite ball. How can we control the speed?
Ma'am, can you go to your screen? Ma'am, we can. mm,
Move block. Yes. Move 10 steps means it will move at a time 10 pixels.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
If we will just increase the number, so at the same time it will cover 30 pixels. But just to track it properly, it would be better to have 10 here. Okay. But it's your choice. You can choose anything. Okay. All right. So just run it on your screen and see if it's working or not. All the blocks, whatever we did in this game, clear to all of you? Any confusion? I'll explain again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my script is not working.
Okay, that means some. Can you share your screen, Shaya?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, when it comes down, ma'am, it does not stop.
Okay, so did you bring Y position block?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and did you bring less than one block from operators category?
What, ma'am?
Okay, just share your screen. Let me see your script. Okay, if Y position is less than.
Ma'am, I think I got it.
Okay, you want to tell me, Dia?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will just stop this script, but we have to stop all.
Yes. So, Shaurya, two scripts are there, paddle and this one. Okay, so just try with stop all. Now
Ma'am,
try
no,
it out.
ma'am, it's not working.
It's not moving. Okay, let me see. When flag clicked, if touching paddle, turn. If Y position is in, then stop all. Show me the code for paddle. Your paddle is not moving, I think. It's moving. It is moving. Why it's not working? Just refresh your page. It should move. Did you save it first? Just save
Yes,
it
ma'am.
first. Okay. Okay, now click on flag. Your paddle is moving.
It's
Yes.
moving.
Yeah, it's moving.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
when it's going down, it's not working.
When it is touching the, okay, just show me the code again. If Y position is less than minus 150, just scroll up little bit. Stop this script. Just change again the drop down to all. Now just try it out. Let it touch the bottom of the stage. Okay, strange. Because this is working for me. Let me see. Let me try again. It's not coming. Okay. It's working for
Ma'am,
me.
it's
Why?
working for me also.
Why it's not working for you?
Ma'am, I don't.
Can you share it again, Shaurya? Let me check again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just click that if block once. Where that Y? Yeah, this one. Just click it once. Click it. No, no, no. Click it again. Inside only. Keep it inside. Yeah. Click again. Okay. This is stop all only if Y position is less than. There's nothing wrong with the code, Shaurya. I am surprised actually why because it is working for Dia also and it's working for me also. Angles are correct. If it is touching paddle, it is bouncing back. And if it is Y position is less than, just try changing the number here. Okay, do one thing in the motion, go to the motion block and just check the check box next to the Y position. Y1, Y. Yeah, let me see. It is not coming down actually. Just change the number to minus 180 instead of minus 156. Now try it out.
Mm.
Why
Oh,
this block is not working for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing wrong with the code and it's working for us.
ma'am,
Set text to mouse X. This is perfect. Paddle script is perfect. Go back again. If Y position is less than minus 180, then it should stop all. And this is the same code we are running actually, and it's working for us.
ma'am, I don't.
Even I don't know this thing. Surprisingly, this is happening. Shaurya, just refresh it again.
Ma'am, what Y position have you kept?
Sorry, Y position. Dia, we are just checking. See, this is the Y position. Tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
current Y position. You are asking me?
No, yes, ma'am. Which I've put minus 155, so you've put minus 156.
It doesn't matter. See, just try to touch the edge at the bottom and just see the coordinate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if it will less than minus with 156, it will work.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, right now also it's
It's not working. So this is very strange. It is behaving very strangely. I am not getting at all why this is happening. This is the first time I'm seeing blocks are same, but it's working very weirdly. I don't know why. There's nothing wrong with the code. This is exactly same. In forever only, in it will go forever. Okay. If Y position is less than, just change the number again. Just change minus 160. Sure, yeah.
60.
Minus 160. Yeah. And just take this if block above the make it the first if block. It won't make any difference, but I'm just trying it out.
And now also it's.
Is it touching the edge, your ball?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, just make the number to minus 176. Don't remove it. Just you forgot one block that if on edge bounce,
Oh,
it won't bounce. Yeah. Oh my God. Shaurya, just share your code, okay? This one with me. I will just see it on my screen, okay? But
okay,
there's
ma'am.
nothing wrong with the code because same code is working on Dia's screen and same code is working on my screen. Surprisingly, it is not working for you. I don't know why. Your script doesn't want to stop, huh? It wants you to keep playing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just leave it here. We'll see. And just after the class, just try it out, okay? Because there
Okay,
is
ma'am.
nothing wrong with the code. This is exact copy of this code and this code is working fine. I am not sure why this is happening. Anyway, so shall we move ahead?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. D8 is working for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm just coming. I will get my water bottle.
Okay, go. Okay, let me present my screen again. And D8 is working for you, yes? So as
Yes,
soon
ma'am.
as,
It's working for me.
okay, let me try one thing. It will simply move. It will point towards, it will point in direction, let's say, okay, it will move 10 steps, and if Y position is, then it should stop. Okay, forever.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, can I add score to the game?
yes, in the meantime, you can add. Shaurya, are you back?
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya,
Sorry,
just try
ma'am.
this
What
one.
are you saying?
Shaurya,
Yes.
just try this code. Is it working for you? This is simply we are checking if Y position is less than minus 156, then everything should stop.
Ma'am, should I delete the other code?
Just save it or create, just go to file and click on new. Okay. Okay, just do one thing. Delete it. It's okay. You know the code, na? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
make it again. Yeah. Just try it out. Or don't delete it. You can just when you remove when flag clicked. Okay. And just add another code. Keep it assigned. Your code assigned.
Yes.
Are you getting me? Just
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
when flag clicked and add this part. Only this will execute then.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that one.
Yeah. So when flag clicked, it should point in direction 180 degree, and forever just keep it moving until it touch the position of this. When Y position is less than minus 156, it should stop everything. So we are just checking that part here. So it should
Yes.
work.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, just take your time.
I'm done.
Is it
Ma'am,
working?
no, ma'am.
Oh my God, why this is happening? Your scratch is behaving in a weird manner today. Because see, this only that thing we are just checking that if Y position is less than minus 156, it should stop everything. See, it's working here. One second,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
bring it back. See, it stopped everything. Strange.
Yeah.
Now I can't help it, Shaurya, because I we just checked that part and still it is not working. Why Scratch is behaving weird on your system? I don't know. Just do one thing. After the class, just reboot your system once. Okay? Did you reboot? When did you reboot it last time?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Yeah, just keep on rebooting your system frequently. Okay? All
Okay.
right. Okay, just try it out. That could be the reason. All right. And please let me know tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now let's start with next one.
Ma'am,
Okay.
should I delete all the code or next?
You can just keep it on this. Just save it. You can save
I
it.
say.
How you can save it?
Ma'am, I saved.
Okay. So now click on File and click on New. Okay.
Yes.
And now let's see this one. All right. So now in this one, your chick will be there. Okay. You need.
Okay.
You will make it jump. Your egg will glide towards chick.
Ma'am, I made this one also.
Okay. So we can make it again.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
also
yes.
made this one.
Okay, so shall do I need to tell you then this thing? I
No,
want
ma'am.
to see.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
just I'm playing it, just see.
Ma'am, I have also used the sound.
Yeah, you can add sound also. Okay. All right. So now I'm not telling anything. You can choose your backdrop, you can choose your sprites, but function should be same. Okay?
Ma'am, I
As
just
soon
want
as
to know something that if the chick touches the egg, what should happen?
stop all. Currently, we
Okay.
are just dealing with that block only because we haven't studied all other blocks in control category. So we will just consider that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So how you will jump the sprite, Dia? How you'll make it jump?
Ma'am, you're asking like by using which block?
Yes.
Ma'am, we'll write the arrow key with up arrow key, the event block. I don't remember its name.
Okay. Any other thing? Because for
Uh,
moving, for making our sprite jump, which
yes, ma'am.
coordinate will be changing?
Ma'am, we'll change y coordinate.
So which block we can bring?
Ma'am, change y
Yes.
by.
Yes. And just how you will add it, like just take one event block when I will press space key
Yes,
or
ma'am.
when I'll do something, then chick should jump. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Make use of event block. All right.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, that's okay. I was just saying, I was just asking Dia, Shaurya, which block you will use to make your sprite jump?
Ma'am, I have already made the chicks script.
Okay, so can you show me?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, right now my lots of internet issues coming. I will do it. I think it will.
Okay, just tell me like that. So to make any sprite jump, which
Yes.
block you will use?
Ma'am, I have used when space key
Okay.
pressed, repeat 10 times, change y by 10, then wait 1 second, repeat 10 times, change y by minus 10.
Yes, very good. That's okay.
And ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, after space key pressed, just I have written start sound chirp.
Yeah, that additional things we can add. Even you can add score also. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Ma'am, should I make the score
Should I?
variable?
If you want, you can any see in any game we can add score. Yeah. So
Okay.
as soon as it will touch the egg, what we can do instead of stopping the script, we can
Yes.
decrease the score. Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, I'm doing that, ma'am.
Okay. Done, Dia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I was thinking that we can do one more thing, but now time is not allowing us. So one thing I want you to tell you, we'll start from here tomorrow. Do you know how to add extension?
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya, do you know? Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I was talking while in
Okay, okay. Do you know how to add extension?
ma'am. What?
Extension in Scratch.
No, ma'am.
See the blocks palette under the just variable my blocks category. Can you see one icon is there?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
click on it. This is to add extension, and we will be adding pen here. And tomorrow we will start our class. We'll be drawing one square. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
this project
ma'am,
or in
can you wait
another
one
project?
minute? I'm just completing it. It's almost completed.
Okay. Yes, dear, you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this project with that extension or in another project?
In the project we will be doing tomorrow. Okay. I'm just giving you an idea how to add extension so that you can add it today itself. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. Excuse me. So just click on it. If you can say this is for add extension to a project. So different extensions will be there. We will be choosing pen from it. Okay. All right. So different erase all. So whenever we want to draw something in Scratch in our project, we will be using pen extension. Okay. For drawing something, we will be using which extension? Pen extension. We can change the color of the pen. We can set one particular color. We can change pen size also. Okay, and we can set particular color also. Pen down means we will start drawing. Whenever we will start drawing, we'll make use of pen down block. And if we don't want our drawing, we will just stop drawing. We will use pen up. Okay, and erase all. It will erase everything, whatever is there, whatever you have drawn. Okay, whatever you drew, it will erase everything. Now let's stop here. It's quizzes time. Okay?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, sure.
Just checking. Anything is wrong.
So in the meantime, I'm sharing quizzes link. Okay? All right. So the link is there in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You want to ask something, Shaurya?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did not
Yes.
I did not come yet. Oh, ma'am, it came.
Okay. You were saying na internet issues there. So
No, ma'am.
sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
my almost it is made. So, ma'am, I have made the variable. I will share it till tomorrow. I'm not
that's
made
okay.
it
That's
yet.
okay. That's okay. Just work on it. Do what it's your game. Okay. You can add whatever you want to do. All right.
Ma'am, I've joined. Can you see?
1 second. No, you are not there. Only Dia is there.
Ma'am, one man. I have
Shall I?
been. Ma'am, now.
Now you are there. Okay. I'm starting the quiz. All the best.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Dia,
I'm also done.
okay. All right. So let's review questions. Congratulations, Shaurya, and great attempt by Dia. And let's review our questions. So yes, we are using 3.0 version of Scratch.
Ma'am, one
This,
question I just did it. I did not know.
yes.
One question I guessed. The others,
Okay. All right. Okay. But that worked, huh?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So what kind of code does Scratch use? Block. Blockly language we are using. Name of the space where sprites move. Yes. Stage is the correct answer. Which extension we add to draw something in Scratch? Pen extension. Very good. Yes. Change Y by 10 will make your sprite move up. If we want code to run for an entire game, which block is used? Forever, correctly answered by both of you. Do your old Scratch file still work in Scratch? Yes, it will. Previous versions file you can anytime load to your current one and you can work on it. What type of block do we use to run code when something happens? If block. Very good. So this is basically condition. Generally, the sensing blocks they are conditions or reporter blocks. Okay, so condition in if block we are giving condition. So conditions you will find in sensing block category only. Okay, which block holds sprite's x value? X position. Correctly answered by both of you. Very good.
Ma'am, this
Right.
one I guessed.
Okay, so why this is 480, Shaurya? His x coordinate is minus 240 and it will go till positive 240. So just add them up. So horizontal x axis is, if you just 480 is the length, and for y axis, minus 180 to 180. If you just see the grade, did you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the grade? Can I show you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I've seen it.
I've seen it. So
Yes.
if you just take backdrop as xy grade, there you can see the x coordinate varies from minus 240 to 240. So horizontal axis or x axis. So its length will be 480 and 180 180. Y will be 360. Okay. All right. So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all for today. We still have some time. You want to show your game?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I was just doing that.
Okay, just continue with that. Dia, did you complete it?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, just can you show me whatever you have done?
Ma'am, actually, it will take a few minutes. I closed that tab.
Okay, that's okay. So tomorrow, or what you can do, you can just text me. Yeah, just complete it after the class and share the link with me. Text the link to me. Can you do that
Yes, ma'am.
so that we can start with our new game in tomorrow's class? Okay, all right. Shaurya, what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
you? Have you completed or still pending?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, extra additional things that you can add later on also, but whatever you have done, can you show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. So, any idea, any problem in motion blocks category in any block?
No, ma'am.
Did you understand why we take up, how we choose the opposite direction for any sprite, the turns and all that we discussed today?
Yes, ma'am.
Because in generally in whatever in these kind of games, so whenever it will bounce, your sprite will bounce, it will move in opposite direction. So this block frequently you will be using. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So run it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
But
right now I did not do
okay.
that.
Okay. So if it
Oh, ma'am,
so
1 minute. Ma'am, I forgot one thing. Stop all.
yes, that's what I was about to say. That it's nothing is happening if it is touching the sprites. They are colliding. Yes. Now it's working. Sure. Yeah.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I will do it two
No, your
seconds.
stop all is working in this game. See,
Yes, ma'am, it is
but
working.
it was not working in that paddle ball game.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know how.
Even I don't know, Shaurya. I'm very sorry. I can't help it. I don't know why it was.
Ma'am, I will try to do it.
Okay, okay, fine. Great. Very good, Shaurya. Good job. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. All right.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, keep practicing. Okay,
Yeah.
take care. Bye.